This year is 175th anniversary of the greatest enlightener of the Kazakh people, Abay Kунанбаев. He was exactly the person who laid the foundation and the framework for the development of culture and mental identity of the people. Being a person of some encyclopedic knowledge, he developed his talents in different areas. He was a composer, he was a translator, he was a poet, and all other trades that were very helpful in developing the people of Kazakhstan. Among his numerous talents, I would like to single out the scale of his thought, which went as far as developing friendly relations with all the neighbor states. He saw the obvious difference between the settled and nomadic way of life, and he saw the great potential in merging the talents and technologies developed by these people. His special priority was the drawing closer with the Russian culture. It went as far as staging in the Kazakh steppe the masterpiece of Pushkin, Yevgeny Onegin. Being in touch with Russia, it was seen by Abay as the bridge to the updated civilization with the challenges and opportunities for growth. We as Kazakh-American University welcome in a big way the decision of our government to celebrate the jubilee of the greatest enlightener of Kazakhstan, Abay Kунанбаев. It is a very good and lucky opportunity for the younger generations to be familiarized with the depths of the ideas expressed in his book of words. And it'll be very actual for our students. So because all the virtues developed by and generated by Abay are still there, which is labor, decency, honesty, resistance to corruptions and extremism.